Well, if anybody was wondering if I was still driving the Focus or not, I am still driving the Focus, and we're at 99,998 miles, so I'll give you an update here in a couple minutes. But yeah, I've been driving it. It's not giving me any problems, knock on wood. I think I started out at 92,000, and I've been driving it for work because it gets such great gas mileage. So I'm going to continue to drive it until I don't need to get good gas mileage, or I'm not driving 100 miles a day for work. So, it's definitely fit the bill for what I needed, and so far I've done really nothing but change the oil. I think since it is running so good, I'm going to be getting new tires on it because they're starting to get wore down, and I think I'm going to do back drum brakes on it because I've never even looked at them. So that's what's in store for the future for the old shit box. But trying to think what else has been going on with it. Like I said, I've been using it for work. Hasn't let me down. And as always, I really appreciate everybody following me and watching and liking, subscribing, and all that other stuff. Here we are at 99,999. So, so if you're looking for a very inexpensive car for your use, I would imagine they're hard to sell. I've never tried to sell a salvage title vehicle, but I know if you're looking for something reliable and all that stuff, you probably wouldn't go buy your kid a salvage title vehicle. So, for what it's worth, it's good for my own personal use, and I plan to keep it for a while, so it's not that big of a deal. But I'm sure I got a heavy discount on what one of these would cost off a dealer's lot. So that is what's going on, and I appreciate everybody. And there we go. So there's your happy 100,000 miles on the shitbox Focus.